The Screencast app that's built into a Chromebook is an excellent way to do a screen recording as well as a webcam video so that you can communicate with your students or your parents. So here I am giving you an example of me explaining a lesson for the upcoming week so that my students understand what they need to do. Once I finish recording, I can click into the video and I can begin the edit process. Hopefully, the first thing you notice is this amazing automatic transcript that is created based on the video I've made. This visual support, this written text to support the video. This is my favorite feature of a screencast, and you can click on the sentences to jump around the video. Now, you can edit the video by trimming or muting sentence blocks out of your video. Also, while you're reading through the transcript, if you need to go back in and edit some of the text, maybe modify it a little bit or personalize it, you can do that here so that the final product is ready when you share. So you'll edit the video by adding and subtracting these sentences, and then it still reads like this beautiful script. And then you can go to use the drop-down menu. It will detect the native language, but you can change this to over 100 written languages. This is such an amazing tool for a school with multiple languages. When you're ready to share, if you haven't already, go ahead and give it a name, and then it'll ask you to keep the video private or to share with others. So when you're ready to share, click that button, copy your link, and share it in whatever form works best for you. If you share this link on another Chromebook, it will want to open it in the Screencast app. However, you can now share this link on the web to folks who do not have the Screencast app so that they can also benefit from your transcript and the translations. This is by far one of my favorite tools for the classroom. I hope it's a favorite for yours as well.